wanted to share with you my top 10 favorite scarves that I've made in the past. And most of these scarves have a written pattern, and some of them have a video tutorial with them as well. Everything is listed down below in the description. And this is my first one. That was my daughter a few years back. It's a cupcake scarf. The food scarves were really popular at that time, so I wanted to make a cupcake scarf. This one does have a video tutorial, and it's super adorable when finished. It's done with medium worsted yarn, so that is one of my first favorites. Here is another one. It's a cowl. It's a lace cowl tutorial. This one has a video with it as well, and that is all listed down below. And this one I did with like a soft medium worsted yarn. It looks really pretty when finished. And this one is a crochet 3D scarf. It's three-dimensional because the top part comes out on top. This one does have a video tutorial. You can make it into a scarf. You could just do one strip of the three-dimensional on top, and it's really unique when finished and looks pretty cool also when it's done. This sachet yarn scarf has a video tutorial with it. I made this one years ago when I first started on YouTube, and it was really popular back then. You can make many things with it, with that type of yarn. This one is a fan favorite, so that one is listed down below as well. The crocodile stitch is a really fun stitch to do. I created a neck warmer with that type of stitch. So this is the one that I... Here's another simple neck warmer tutorial. This one is pretty simple and basic, and you just wrap it around your neck and it makes a really nice neck warmer when finished. And so here's another one also. The pattern is listed down below. I created this puff stitch cowl with a video tutorial and written pattern tutorial. It does take up a lot of yarn, but it looks really cool when it's finished. And it's great to use like more of a thicker type of yarn for this one. It does keep your neck warm, and so that is another one to try. Here is a Leacy scarf tutorial, and this one I did a video and a written pattern with this one. It's pretty basic. It's great for beginners, and it makes for like a really long scarf to wear like with a really nice coat. So here is another one that is listed down below. The crochet keyhole scarf is a fan favorite and has a video tutorial. It looks really cool when it's finished. You can just stick it part of the scarf right into that hole so it doesn't come detached. And this one I created because my mom really wanted me to make one. So I made this one for her. Last but not least, this is a really nice ruffled scarf if you'd like to try it. It is made with medium worsted yarn. The pattern is listed down below. It's really warm and thick, so it looks really pretty. It makes for a really nice gift. Okay, so those are my top favorites. Please have a look if you're interested in any of them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can watch my latest videos. Thank you for watching.